Whakalawhalahiatu, hanei da wala tala tutupi Latvia Fitness. Good evening. In our news headlines for this evening, nā kei talia whalu ta pisinisi ki uta whakaitala whita koloa, mo i te whakawhono. Some businesses are now refusing to accept purchase orders. Iwe whahinga hua leo leo, ha taki ki te tangata ki te tungi do lai sini, mo e tau tukuhaupi leo afi. Police continue to monitor license and vehicle registration. Kamate tau asitupi tam takai nanga tonga ke lata molo tolu ne kua lau iai ki he Asako Kita. Tongan community start Cyclone Kita appeal. Tumau ne tau pisinisi ta mai koloa ke he motu ke kumi mga ho ke whakatutala i mai whakatuwhono ke hakua nākai o tatai e tau whakatokanga mai tau tutongi ang he tau tuku hau ni kua lali ke ngahua. Uhala atua e ta mana atu nei ke he matakau he tau pisinisi e motu mai tuku atua e tohi ke he whakatuwhono kai nāka i la whai talhauanga mai liriu e tau mau koloa whono ke he matakupu nei.
Ka hoko e whono ia ki aho ngufua whai te pamali tongalonga e te makoloa ni whakisi manatu nā kei whia whuki hakua nā kei la whai whakausianga ia ki hāki hala tūru nā kei whai tali whuki kua makana lau tūru ki ei mai ia he whakatuwhono ki he tau tohi oli he mga hoi tau mga whakamua ni kua tohi atu ki whakatuwhono. Si koe whonoanga ia whuki ni whiwhili ai mo e whailoa e he wholu tau makoloa kua nā kei mai ki kua whiwhili e lau tūru ke nā kei talia e tau tuhi kei tā alofa he whakatuwhono ka watu e ki whakatau e tau koloa koe e tau purchase orders e ka hā whakapālangi. So si kua pehea lau tūru ha kua longa whuki ke hā halo tūru tau invoices ne nā kei lara tutongi he whakatuwhono e tau mahina kua moli atu si pia whuki ni whalu ni kua whai mga aho whuki hapa whai katoa te tau he whakatali ki tau tungi tau kai tā alofa ia si kua pihea lau tūru kua whakausi te kaha e whakamauki mai e talia lau tūru e tau tuhi kai tā alofa ia ato whai whakatutalaanga ia mo e whakatuwhono ke i loa mōri e tuanga he tau tutongi ia lau tūru kaha koe ato a whiga moa e tau tutongi ia.
Kua hoko tuai ke taha lakaanga ni kua whiwhiri ai he wholu e tau pisinisi ke nā kai talia e tau hio mai he whakawhono.
Whiwhiri ai whuki he whonoanga ia ke liu ke oli atu ke whakatuwhono ke whakahoko e taha whono au loa e tau makoloa si pia whuki ni mo i ki pule he whahe ngahua pisinisi, whahe private sector. Mo e whalu ni e tau tangata ngahua e whakatuwhono ke i loa mo e au longa ki ai ke he tau mena kua lata ki i loa. Haka mga aho nei ke he tau tāla ni whai longona, nā ka lai whai tohi whakamōlia hangi ke tau ia ke tohi whakamua e tātua i he tau whahe pisinisi ki he whakatuwhono. Koe mena nei ni mahuinga lahi mga aho nei ke whakatutala mo e i loa e tūnu kaha. Haka nā kai whakasikai mo tūlu tau pisinisi ha mo tūlu a tau tupe kua lata ki tau tuangi ki tau tuku hau. Kai a hai ai ki lalo hifo he amatola tau mumui i tau tangata ngahua pisinisi. Whalua tau meana ne kua le kua ai kaha ki tau puhala maua tupe amatola. Tunga ia whakatuai ki tau tuangi tau pila. Si mo atu ki tau pisinisi ne longa tau kaloa ni tau mai, mai tau kalonga tau tangata ni whakangahua. Koe halo tūru tika hamo ia tau priorities ki tutungi halo tūru tau tangata ngahua, tutungi tau e tau maukoloa ni e tau mutukehe, tutungi e tau freight, tau manapihia kaha.
Kua lata he tala haula tūru ke whakatutala ke he tau tupe tuku hau ni kua lata ki tutungi, koe taha mene kua kisia whoki, ke he tau tala hauanga, pia whoki ni mo tau hiki kianga.
Hai ai kai e tau whailoanga ni whai iloa, kai iloa wala mo iloa kehe. Aila mahino lahi a whalu pihe, te he whalu mga aho, koe whakangahua e tau hikianga ia, po e tau hikianga he tau tuku hau, he tonga i kua maoli, whalu ni pihe tau whakangahua he mahina a pelila. Si koe tau utatala piha kahane kua he di ka whalu mo tūru, tau matakai nanga, manako mo tūru ke loa I loa koe hawhi e mena hamatulu ka lata ke tausi ki koe hawhi e tau whakailoanga kua tonu kaha, ne wha tau whinona matulu he tau mena ne longona. Kai kua lata ki au loa moe I loa I matulu e tau whakailoanga kua lata kaha ki kua lata koe hawhi ka tau se e tau hikianga ia.
Koe manako he tau maukoloa ke whono me whakatutala mo ia I ki pule mai tau pisinisi ke tatau I tau māmanga. Importers and retailers continue with their appeal to government to reconsider recent decisions, and they have requested time to meet with the Minister for Private Sector, Sir Toki Talangi. At the beginning of this year, importers were informed about an increase in port charges and that taxes and duties needed to be paid prior to the arrival of goods each shipment. Business owners met just over a week ago to collectively express their views about the relationship with government officials or enforcement agencies and policymakers. We spoke with the Chamber of Commerce spokesperson and business owner Esther Pavihi about businesses' concerns raised so far.
Some of the businesses expressed their grave concerns at the communications between ourselves and government, and how we really hadn't heard anything official back in response to the first correspondence sent from the business to government. There was no official response back, but that doesn't mean that we're giving up on trying to communicate with government, and at that meeting we decided as well to seek another meeting with the Minister of Private Sector, and that I hope will take place soon, or that invitation will be accepted, so that we can all sit down at the table and talk about it. At the moment, I don't think we're actually seeing the different perspectives at play here and the different stakeholders.
What has also added to the problem is that there seems to be a lack of good faith in arrangements with government. Some businesses are no longer accepting government purchase orders.
Quite a few businesses made it known that they will be stopping purchase orders, that they will no longer accept purchase orders from government agencies and government departments, which is regrettable, of course. They've just felt that it has come to a point where they have no choice, really, that their invoices previously sent remain unpaid, some unpaid in months, and some in years still unpaid. So these are the underlying issues that we want to talk about and come to some amicable solution. We are well aware of our obligations to paying taxes and that, but there are underlying issues that at times will prohibit smaller operators from responding to those policy requirements. So unfortunately, several businesses have stopped accepting purchase orders. Some businesses still continue to do that. I think there are a number of reasons for doing so. A lot of those businesses feel that it's not fair to penalise the government departments, and when they do need the resources that we have. And the last thing we need is competition to emerge from outside the existing retailers because we have stopped accepting purchase orders. We are just going to hope that the government will do right by its purchase orders and that they will pay those in a timely manner. At the moment, that's not being done, and that's why several of these businesses have stopped accepting purchase orders.
There is no doubt that businesses are bound by laws and policies set by government, but they believe there are underlying issues that government may not be aware of. That is what business owners want to discuss.
The other concern that we have is there seems to be conflicting information. So we're having some information is coming through that those taxes will be imposed at the last with the last boat gone. But then we also received information that they will be imposed as of 1st of April. So we're not really sure. I mean, we will only get to the bottom and get to the right and correct information if we sit down and talk, everybody at the same time and talking, because at the moment conflicting information isn't very helpful in the conversation. But we will hopefully get to the bottom of that once we meet.
Esther says no response has been received from government yet, but businesses are working with the Chamber of Commerce, who are facilitating this process to reach an amicable conclusion. Business owners are hopeful that their concerns will be acknowledged, and they're mindful that the Minister has just returned and government may have other priorities such as preparations for the visit of the New Zealand Prime Minister next week. Matutake tau ngā hua he whahinga hua leo leo, pia mo e tau tupe mai tau hau e tau pleo pia fuki me tau tohi whakaholo. Koe aho taha ia masi ne kum hani e ki whakamanau te ke whakawhōwai e tau lai sini pehe nei. Hahai anga ia ni whalu ne nā kai lau tutongi e tau whikau nei mai he tau e kua mole atu. Kai ki se whahinga hua kua mai longa he tau tangata mai kua oa tau whainene e ki tutongi. I loa mai hai e fuki whalau tau hiki anga ne kua amna ki ai ke he tau nei. Kai nā kai la iloa, poke whakailoa whakalabula hia a tau whaifirianga e tau takitaki ngā hua. Koe whalu tau whakatakaanga he tau mga hui ko mole, ne whakakese e manako, ke tahe tau hoko turki, moi whakaonga e tau mata whakatu whono, ke moa, ka moa e tau tangata ki palatu, pese ni kua whakamoli he whono ikipule, kua ngā hua ngaia ni e whahe tau loia he whakatu whono, ke tau mata whakatu whono nei, a tau mai ke e whahe ngā hua, ke whakanga hua. Niue Police continue to monitor license and vehicle registrations, especially those that are still outstanding. License and renewals and registrations for vehicles are normally due on the 1st of March each year, but it seems that some people need to be reminded several times. There has been some discussion whether applying instant fines would prompt people to be more proactive in paying these overdue fees or registrations. But the legislation for that is still with government's lawyers. With only a few days until the 1st of March, people have been given a final reminder, and Niue Police representatives say that it is business as usual. This year there is also talk of changes to processes, but it is unclear what those changes may be. A public announcement will be made by police management upon the return of the Chief of Police. Kua kamata e turianga tupe he tamatakainanga tonga ne kua nanopua e ki niwe, ke lata mai mutu ko tonga ke lango tei atu e tamatakainanga ne kua lauia i hako a whaa ko kita. Ke hea hohong whamalia mai e whipuali ne kua lauia i mutu ko tonga ke tamatangi malolo hea whaa. Mo e kua maloana mai nā kai hanghang i Turkey, e tau nanofuang he whalu tamatakainanga ke he mga honei.
Whaloga matonu de taus he aho whi umtapu ka amore, koe kumitupe matakau ke lata mo mboto nā tau tolu ko tonga. I he maspasikarea moia he kawhana ko chita e mga ko amore. Koe kamata e whanmesa matolu he tapu ko amore, a ke papakiu. Koe tupe ko a moa mga nei e mua mahi papakiu he a whi umtapu ko amore, koe whae afe wasi au maa. Koe mena e matakau he monei ne tause koe whakaako e tau kori, tu koritonga, si wina foki ke he tau matakau ke he motu. Koe whaikori, pua hingoa nere o item ke laka moe poia. Nisi whakata fuku ha taha ni pua mua whaoa ne whia tause kori, pua hingoa ni ka tause laka moe mahoia, ke ataha ni ke whakau ke poia. Ko whakau e ni, koe whakau e tiri he tutanga tause motu, kua lango matai mai tapu ka more he papakiu ne tause na ki alof, toa taha e whakau e. Whiala he matakau, koe wina tuni ka motolos, ke kau auloa he tapukahau, ke whanoko pares, ke whia auloa tutulai, mo e hingoa ni mena ka kau mua he poia, koe ai whai numela whukini ka nono ki ai, koe hingoa ni numela ka mua he tofan res, hai ani. Ka pehe ka whai matutaki anga ki he matakau, ko au ni e takitaki e matakau, mai ka montolo ke matutaki mai ki ai, mena ni ne manak ki ai, Pe hataha ni he matakau, ne ata ni ke matutake ka whaimena le manako ke ai.
Kua noanuanga ka eke kua osi te whakaloanga whakatātai to kōli, to whai mga hoke whakatutālai moe whakatuwhanu, hanga o ia ki he te pohala ke whakawhanua tua i te tupe nei, ke mga ho nei haha ia i whalu i tau whale whakafuakoloa, i alofi ni kua toka ai i tau poha, ni kua mai ke fuaki ai i taha mina whakalofa, e nā te mela matai he matangahua nei. The Tongan community have started with their fundraising appeals to support Tonga after the destruction caused by Cyclone Gita more than a week ago. The community started their appeal over the weekend, selling food at the market, raising an impressive amount of over $4,000. According to the president of the Tongan community, Sio Vea, they're very thankful for the donations that the community had gifted during the food market and look forward to their continuous support. They are currently organising a concert that will feature different ethnic groups, and those that have confirmed they will be performing next week Saturday, the Tongan community, Fiji and the Filipino community. He said that the invitation is also open to groups that would like to perform in this concert. There will be no door charge, but donations are welcome and food will be sold on the night. Mr. Vea said that after the concert they hope to meet with government to discuss how the money raised will be sent to Tonga. At this time, the Tongan community have also set up donation boxes at some outlets of private businesses in central Alofi, encouraging people to donate what they can. Kua whakawhautua e ko misi him dakau hakatao he motu he o se e taha whanuanga ke whahita po e ko mole, ko i e takitaki Palestini fo ko Paul Pasisi, hanga i takitaki a Dempster tō mai lunga, le weke tupe Vaine Pasisi, to hikupu ko James Douglas mo i tau komisi ngā hua, ko hikitungia puheke mo tifi tō mai lunga. Talhau mai e takitaki, wa marikisi hake whakahanga i tau ni mala e tau tangata ni ko manako, ke whetoko e ki tau whiua hakatao, e tau nei, kua hawhangi ai ke whakamau hingoa ke lata e mo e tau whetoko he tau kalapu, ki sea ke marikisi hake mo he tau kamali, toko whitu ni matakau te whiwhene, ka koe tau nei, kua hake tu e ke hewa, koe hongfu mawhai te matakau tau tangatani, marikisi hake tu e ke hongfu mawhitu, mo e tahe matakau whaune kua tutaki atu e he tau nei koe matakau hamutalau. Kua whakakesa manako fōki e motu o nauru ke whaiwheo o whetoko moni we ke he tau nei, ke matahiku tau, kai whakatutālanga ia ni ke mga honei, amuna ki kamata e to whiua whakamua he to kalapu ke hongfu ia masi, me amuna ke komisi ke whaiwhanuanga ke hapuipungi, ke whakatokatoka lo tōrua ka lena ngahua, mai tau nei, tō mai ke whailoa whakalulahi atu ke he tau tuta ke mtakau. A new dance committee has been elected during the annual general meeting on Friday last week. Darts appears to be one of the fastest growing sports on the island with an increase in registrations for this season. The new president is Paul Pasisi, Dempster Tomailunga is the vice president, treasurer Vaine Pasisi and secretary James Douglas with two committee members, Hikitungia Muheke and Tifi Tomailunga. As of closing time for registrations of teams for the club competition this season, in comparison to last year, there has been an increase with 7 women's teams last year, now up to 9, 14 men's teams last year, now increased to 17. They have also welcomed a new club joining this year from Mutalau. NDA President Paul Pasisi says that this year they have had an expression of interest from Nauru for a game at the end of the year, but that is still being discussed at the moment, and there is a possibility of meeting in Auckland or Nauru will come to Niue for a friendly test. This will be great for exposure, and then preparations for the big regional competition in Niue will be next year. The first round of inter-club games start on the 10th of March, and the committee have a meeting tomorrow to set out the calendar of events or games for the year and plans to progress forward. Information will be distributed to the club members and published on the Niue Darts Association Facebook page. Those are our news stories that we have here for you this evening. Don't forget that the Niue Legislative Assembly meeting will be on tomorrow morning at 9. Pēnā i te walatala, kua mō mai ka latu mai whiwhinei, wani mo ke whanonongo atu ai te tau whakaluanga whono, he te ulilifu he whone ke pule, ke pungi pungi pungi. Manofa nene po, toliliu ke whalewea ke a whiawhia tuloto.